Hi there, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. So I want to show you that digital set that I've created, and just a quick flip through because sometimes the pictures are not so representative of what it looks like in real. So this is the forget-me-not because it's all those little forget-me-not flowers everywhere in the kit, and that kit is in the blue shades and green shades. That matches perfectly. So I've created two pages. They look similar, and they are. One has the little flowers everywhere and one doesn't have it, in case someone didn't like it. And those birds too, which is kind of similar, and you have it on the side. I've started with that page and then I figured out, oh my, if we want to use it as a cover or the page that way, that didn't work. So I recreated a page the other way, and I liked both, so you have both in the kit. Now I did some pictures that goes with the kit, so for you to cut, and you have miniatures of those pages. I love those to do cards, but as well to fold into two and create little booklets. So you have other pages with beige and greens and the forget-me-not flowers. So that one, a background sheet, kind of a collage of vintage pages, that cute lady there on the page. This one is a little bit softer, lighter I should say, and that cute little girl. Just a simple page with just one flower there. A music collage with the flowers. The music collage without the flowers, but a lighter version and flowers everywhere. So, like if I compare both, this is the difference. Now, this is a collage of old documents, and you have a lighter version. I honestly tend to use the lighter version a lot, so that's why I provide the lighter version. So you have all the choices. They're all kind of the same, but it gives you the choices. And you have that same lighter version with the forget-me-not flowers, and you have again a lighter version of the light version. And this one, surprisingly, it's my best. I use it everywhere, especially if you do like a light tone journal. You have two pages that are the other side. This little boy with the forget-me-not flowers. I love that page. Look at all the details. And you have the background there to add a little bit of blue, and that one with the vintage document. I love them, really gorgeous. Now you have a bunch of background pages, or to back your pages, or to do simple pages. I use it to use in collages. So you have the forget-me-not flowers everywhere there. You have a lighter version with little scriptings here and there, like on the page. And you have kind of similar, but instead of having the scriptings, you have no beige at all. You just have like small writing there, small bricks writing, but this is really pale. And that one you have the clouds instead, and I would say this is the one I use the most. then you have a lighter version of one of the page from the beginning, that one. So you have the lighter version as well. You have the flowers everywhere, but printed on a coffee stain paper that I created. Like I scanned my printed paper. No, I scanned my coffee stain paper. Same for that one. I scanned my coffee stain paper that had doilies, paper doilies. And then you have all the flowers on top of it, which is great. This is an aqua blue paint with the flowers. I love the result of that, really neat. And this is like a vintage blue with the flowers. So you might not use them all, but that gives you some diversity. And this one is like an aqua greenish with the blue background. And you have a set of 4 miniature pages in the green shade. So you actually have 2 sets in the kit, right? So these are the pages. You still have the miniatures and you have the girl as I would say an ephemera in that kit to play with. But then you can buy the ephemera kit and then you'll have plenty of ephemeras to go with the kit. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.